What's hood? Let me turn that shit off. What's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? Just got off work. Got that package in. I got a couple packages, so I ain't finna do too much talking. I'm finna go ahead, go shoot over here real quick, pick up these packages. See y'all in a little bit. Just picked up them packages. Hold on, let me throw that shit down. God damn it, really? Picked up some packages in that young box right there, man. Gonna go ahead to the crib, man. Let y'all see what I just got, man. Whew. What's hood, man? I got some packages, and y'all already see that tape, so y'all already know where this box is from. But I got these packages right here, man. This shit finna slide out. I'm finna go ahead show y'all what a nigga just caught, boy. Gang. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man, and I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. And before we get into the video, y'all already know, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And I ain't finna do too much talking. Finna get straight into the shoe because I'm surprised it shipped this fast like it did. But then again, this is from Nike itself. Y'all see, y'all know what that tape like, man. And I was thirsty to get these. I thought I was gonna take a big L on these, but fortunately, I didn't. Ooh. And it come in a premium box too. Hold on, let me put this on the ground. Dang, I didn't know it was gonna. Hold on, boy, you did something with this one. Y'all already know, man. Nike receipt, man. I'm finna show all that shit. But this come in like a little premium box, all white box, gold Jumpman right here. Kind of like almost the OVO box, almost. Got the little gold hits right here, gold Jumpman right there. Retail price on this is $200, and these are the Air Jordan 5 wings. Yes, I hit on the sneakers app. So these was like, oh, okay. Come with that wing card. I'm gonna sit this down. Y'all can pause it and read it if y'all want to. There's that. I'm not gonna read everything off of it. Wings card. Everyone can fly. And this is Jordan Jumpman X Little Black Pearl, the business of art. If y'all don't know, these was customized from, like, I don't know if it was necessarily kids, but like young adults in Chicago or kids in Chicago. So this one I really had to get these. And bling, blow, bird on these shoes, man. Oh, I swear I thought I was gonna take a big L on these, but resale price ain't even going for that much on these. So if you did not hit, just go ahead, go on StockX, man, and cop them. They ain't going for much. They ain't going for much over retail. They was 200 right now. I seen them. The lowest I seen them was at like 230 or something like that. So y'all didn't cop them, go ahead, man. Oh man, you got to do both these shoes because the artwork is different on each shoe. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with the right. Shoe. And this leather look like it's good too. They done put some things on these things. Hold on, let me get this shoe tree out. It was no early pairs of these. You had to hit on the sneakers app to get these. I don't even know if these dropped in stores. And the leather on these is great. Oh man. Hold on, let me tuck these shoestrings in for y'all. I apologize. And yes, look at the leather quality on these. The leather on these is tumble. It still ain't even bounced all the way back yet. The leather on this is tumble. Honestly, I might have to double up on these. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to double up on these. Yes. I might have to have one DS and just wear the fuck out one of these. Because, man, this is crazy. And the artwork right here. I might have to do a separate stuff on the artwork, man. I might have to do a separate video on the artwork. Because it's a lot going on. As you know, it's a lot that goes on in Chicago. So, man. Side panel. You have the wings on the side panel. And this right here, this glows in the dark. If you don't know, this glows in the dark right here. More artwork from, this says Chapman, South Shore. I was living on South Shore for a long time too, by the way. The stars, the Chicago Star. Chicago police be wearing this all the time. Little hits right there. No, I'm just fucking around though. But yes, man, the hen holding the city. Jumpman right here on the back. Glows in the dark. Midsole, you have that teal. I was so thirsty to fucking do this shoe. I didn't even look at the colorway. It probably just say multicolor. Yep, multicolor. But you have like this little teal, this baby teal. It's not like a real teal because it's like a light teal. Right here on the shark teeth, all white midsole. Shark teeth is like that teal colorway. The pods on the inside, the little air pods on the inside is that light baby teal too. All the way around. Of course, you have that ice baby bottom, that translucent bottom right there. You have the Jumpman. You can see through it. Unlike the OG ones that I showed you from the Fresh Princes, this have the Jordan, and that one had the Nike translucent on the back as well. Tissue paper on there. This is 3M tongue, Jumpman, black stitched in. This hang tag is actually a wing too. This hang tag is dope. Pull tab. I said hang tag. This lace lock, lace holder, lace lock, whatever, is a wing as well. And this glows in the dark. God damn these shoestrings. The wing glows in the dark as well, which is very dope. What that say? That says flight or wing. Okay, that says flight. I thought it said wings. On the inside, insole, nothing spectacular. All back insole. You have a red Jumpman in the inside. And instead of Air Jordan, on the inside you have the Wings logo. You have the Wings logo right there. Everyone can fly. Real dope. Like I said, you have the red Jumpman back here as well. This leather is real soft, like all the way around. Like I don't do double ups. Like if I do double ups, it's like to like not necessarily resell it, but like trade bait it and stuff like that. But I might have to do a double up on these. These is real dope. And I feel these should have exclusively, like almost exclusively dropped to Chicago. Like seriously, these should have almost exclusively dropped to Chicago, I feel like. But hey, you know, it is what it is. If you like them, cop them. I'm pretty sure Chicago people would have put them on to StockX anyway. The resale is real big out here. Standard lace system for Jordan 5s. You have all white laces. And you probably can't see it, but this right here is also the same color as the wings on the side. The wing lace holder, lace lock. The back mesh is also that same color. And it supposedly glows in the dark. So the side panel glows in the dark. This glows in the dark. and behind the laces glows in the dark, which is real dope. Man. Smells like gun smoke. No, I was just fucking around. Oh shit. No, I'm fucking around though. But these are fucking fire. And I'm so glad people to sleep. Man. I'm gonna have to double up on these. I know I am. And I was so surprised I hit on the sneakers out. I knew I was gonna, I'm like, I'm gonna take an L. I just put in for it because fives is my favorite silhouette, so I gotta like start getting my 5 game up. But yes, fives are my favorites, and this shoe is dope. I might have to do I am gonna do a separate video of like all the graphics and explain everything on the shoe as much as possible, because you know, like Chicago is not like one big city as a whole. Like you have the east side, you have the south side, you have the north side, and you have the west side. Every single side has something different and specific to it. Like the people over east don't dress like people out west, or they don't dress like people out south, or they don't dress like people like up north. Like everybody is different. Every single body out west, north, east, south is different. We have different ways we talk. So you can go out west and you can be talking like over east slang, and people be like, you ain't from out west, is you? Like they know. So I don't know where like everyone is from. I see like my neighborhood right here, the Chatham and South Shore area. I grew up on South Shore. I see East Side over here. You see, like it's different stuff. You see South Shore. Like, I grew up over there. I grew up over there on South Shore, from like Stony Island to like South Shore. Like I grew up in like those areas, so I can like if I see stuff like that, I can definitely like point stuff out. And man, this is just a dope shoe. And like I said, spare laces. You got a black pair. You have that teal pair that goes with everything. Full 360. All the way around. I don't even think I gave y'all that full 360 of this shoe. Ice baby bottoms. And man, if you missed out on these, man, if you go cop them, I promise you won't be disappointed. But anyways, man, this is my pickup. And I know I got some packages down here. There's going to be a whole nother video, as you know. But this is my pickup, man. These are dope. Very, very clean shoe, man. And like I said, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. We out this jam.